Hello friends. Today I am going to explain you the summary of the poem Night of the Scorpio, which is written by Nizam Ezekiel. Here, the speaker narrates an incident of how his mother was stung by a Scorpio one night. See, let's start the poem. I remember the night my mother was stung by a Scorpio. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice, parting with his poison. Flash of diabolic tail in the dark room, he risked the rain again. Here the speaker tells that he remembered the night when his mother was stung, or we can tell injected or stung by a Scorpio. 10 hours of steady rain had driven him to crawl beneath a sack of rice. As it was raining outside, the Scorpio came into the house, or we can tell that crawl into the house, and it went under the sack of rice. Parting with his poison, flash of diabolic tail in the dark room, he risked the rain again. And after injecting his mother, flash of diabolic tail in the dark room, he again went into the rain again. The peasant came like swarms of flies and buzzed the name of God 100 times to paralyze evil one. The peasant here, the nothing but farmers. Farmers came like a group, came in group and buzzed, and they were repeating the name of God again and again, so that the pain can be slowed down. With candles and with lanterns throwing Jane Scorpio's shadow on the mud-barked walls, they searched for him. He was not found. And with the candles and the lanterns in their hands, and they were searching for the shadow of the Scorpio, but it was not found. They clicked their tongues with every movement that the Scorpio made. His poison moved in mother's blood, and they were telling again and again that the movement of the Scorpio, if the Scorpio will move, the poison will also move in the mother blood. And they were praying that the Scorpio must be still sitting. May the sign of your previous birth be burned away by this, they said. And they were praying, and they were telling the mother also that the sign of your previous birth will be burned away with this poison. May your suffering decrease in the misfortunes of your next birth, they said. And they were telling in your next birth, the suffering will be decreased by this pain. May the sum of all evil balanced in this unreal world against the sum of good becomes diminished by your pain. And they were telling that by this pain, all your evil all your evil in unreal world will be gone away. It will be diminished. May the poison purify your flesh of desire and your spirit of ambition, they said. And they were telling that the flesh of your desire will be purifying by this poison. And they sat around on the floor with my mother in the center, and they were all sitting around my mother on the floor, and my mother was in the center. The peace of understanding on each face, and everyone where everyone were understanding the peace. More candles, more lanterns, and more neighbors, more insect, and the more endless rain. Here there were more candles, more lanterns, more neighbor were there, more insect, and the endless rain, and the rain was not stopping. My mother twisted through and through, growing on the mat, and my mother was sleeping. My is poet itself. Poet mother was sleeping on the mat, and she was twisted through and through with the pain. My father, septic rationalist, trying every curse and blessing powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid. And my father was a septic and rationalist, and he was trying everything. Like he was blushing, he was pouring the powder, mixture, herb, and hybrid, etc. He even poured a little paraffin upon the beaten toy and put a match to it. And with the Scorpio injected the mother on the toy, the father was pouring a little paraffin and he put a match to it. I was the flame feeding on my mother. Here the poet tells, I was sitting and watching the flame feeding on my mother. I watched the holy man. He even watched the holy man perform his rites to tame the poison within with an incantation. And he even watched the holy man performing the rites so the poison will be gone away from her body. After 20 hours, it lost its sting. My mother only said, thank God the Scorpio picked on me and spared my children. And after 20 hours, the, the mother lost the Scorpio sting, and she only thanked God that the Scorpio picked on me and spared my children. So we will see some questions based on this. First question is, why did the Scorpio came in the house? Why it came? Because it was raining outside. And second one is, who chanted name of God hundreds of times to reveal the pain of mother? Who were chanting the name of the God 100 times? The peasant. Peasant is nothing but the neighbor who came in the house. In this poem, Night of Scorpio, the Scorpio symbolizes what? It's evil. The Scorpio stung the mother at her toy. Thank you for watching my video.